Hi, welcome to the video training of Node.js, and in this video training we will be looking at Node.js errors. The Node.js applications generally face four types of errors: standard JavaScript errors, that is EvalError, SyntaxError, RangeError, ReferenceError, TypeError and URIError, etc. Then we have system errors, user specified errors and assertion errors. Let's take an example to deploy standard JavaScript error reference error. So let's create a file error example1.js. Error example1.js. Okay. Throw a reference error because B is undefined. Okay, let's start with a try catch block for catching the error, and within the catch error we are going to console.log and print the error on the console. Const a equal 1. Note that we are not declaring the b constant, so I'm going to add a plus b, and b haven't been defined within this piece of code, so it should throw an error. Let's save the file, go to the console and run our program. You see it has thrown an error, reference error, b is not defined. So this, using try catch blocks, you can catch different JavaScript errors and throw them as you like. Let's look at the second example, and in this example we will be using callback functions. Let me create another file for this. I'm going to call it error example2.js. Okay, let's define a file system object by requiring the file system module function node style callback. This is our callback function and it receives error and data object. If error console dot error, there was an error, and we can print out the error here, return. Okay, otherwise console dot log data. If there is no error, it will display the data console. So let's try to read a file that doesn't exist, some file that does not exist, and call the callback function we have defined above. Okay, same thing we are going to do below, does exist. Okay, both of these files does not exist. Let's save this file, go to the console and run the program. Okay, you see we have two errors. There was an error, and this is the error object saying no such file or directory, open some file that does not exist. Error 2, code init, system call open. So error number is -2. So we have a bit of a detailed information about the error. Okay, that was all about Node.js error. I hope that you have grasped the concept of Node.js error. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time with a new video training in Node.js.